Hi, welcome to Harley Classics. Today we've got something special. She's called Molly. She's a 1904 silent Northern. And she's called silent because when she's in top gear and chugging along, you can hardly see her. She's powered by a 6.5 horsepower water-cooled horizontal engine with a huge flywheel. And once she gets the momentum up, she's really quick. She's a Brighton car, eligible and VCC dated. We did the Brighton run, number 275. Competed it with no problems at all. She looks like an Oldsmobile, but there's a million Oldsmobiles, out there in the veteran car world. It's just something a little bit different. The back seat we had made, it didn't have this on, but it was an option. If you notice as well, we've got some seat belts on here. And you're probably wondering why there's a seat belt. It's because if there's a passenger on the back and you take away pretty quick, they could end up off the back of the car. So we'll have a quick walk around her. There she goes. Beautiful green and yellow paintwork, pinstriping, wooden wheels. We've actually had an electric starter fitted on it. There's the battery box there, and the starter motor's underneath. Not that it was hard to start, it just makes these cars a little bit more user-friendly, especially if it's an older person buying it. And it starts off the button and runs perfect. Just lift this up and show you inside the engine. There's a quick look inside the engine. You've got the gearbox and clutch, the huge flywheel. Down there you've got the water pump, the ignition and the trembler coils. You've got your tiller steering there. You've got your foot brake and your hand brake, accelerator, and that's an exhaust valve. So if you want to go quicker, you press that, you go quicker. This is your gears. You've got first, second and reverse. Advanced retard down there. Hand throttles, electric starter, trembler coils on there. Got a couple of little boxes made here, and in there we've got another battery, and that battery is running a cooling fan which we fitted, so it never gets hot, it just runs beautiful. It's just a lovely little car. We've actually got an original handbook for the car, and in the handbook it gives you starting procedures, driving procedures, and maintenance procedures. It's just a lovely little thing, absolutely lovely. If you need any more information, give us a shout at Harley Classics. Either email, message, and we can send you some more pictures. Or if you're really interested, this car, come out and I'll give you a test drive. Thanks very much.